So in the last video, we are on 6.1, we're talking about matrices. In the last video, I showed you how you can use Gaussian elimination and Gauss-Jordan elimination in order to produce row echelon form, REF, and reduced row echelon form, RREF. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a calculator, a TI-83 for example, in order to do Gauss-Jordan elimination in order to get the reduced row echelon form. I'm totally okay with you doing that if I'm asking for all of the elementary operations. All you're really doing is elimination, which you learned in Algebra 2, so I will need to see that work. But if I'm asking just for the reduced row echelon form, you're welcome to use your calculator. So let's look at how. So we started with this equation, x minus y plus c equals 1, 2x plus y minus c equals negative 4, negative x plus 2y plus 3z equals 7. So the first thing we're going to want to do is to enter in our coefficients into a matrix by themselves. So we have 3 variables and 3 equations. This is going to be the way we title a matrix as a down and over. So we're going down 3 over 3. We want to put this stuff right here into a matrix by itself. So I'm going to do that now. If at any point you are behind or missed a step, just pause and rewind and you can catch up. So the first thing we're going to do is set up our coefficient matrix. We're going to go to second matrix. In order to get that matrix, we want to edit, so we're going to scroll over, edit, and we'll put this coefficient matrix into matrix A. Again, this is a down 3 over 3 coefficient matrix, so we're going to put that in a 3 by 3. The numbers we are entering are 1, negative 1, 1, make sure you're pressing enter after each number that you're putting in, 2, 1, negative 1, negative 1, 2, 3. Enter. So this is our coefficient matrix. So far we haven't really done anything. Next thing we're going to do is go to second matrix, edit, and we want to put in these numbers, these values that these are equal to. So we'll put that in matrix B. So again, we scrolled over to edit so that we can edit our matrix. Scroll down to B, press enter. This is we went down 3 over 1, so this is a 3 by 1. And it looks like we expect it to look, and we are putting in the numbers 1, negative 4, and 7. Enter. Okay, so let's go second quit so that we're back on our main screen. Make sure everything's cleared out. Next thing we're going to do is we want to create this augmented matrix. So we want to put those two things together. So we go to second matrix over just 1 to math. This math area is where you can do a lot of operations with your matrices. So we're going to scroll down to this augment. We want to augment these into a matrix. So we're going to say augment, enter. So we have that come up. And the things that we want to augment together in this order are second matrix A, we just want to press enter once that's selected, comma, second matrix B, enter, close parentheses, and we need a place to put this. We want to store that somewhere, so we're going to say store this STO arrow into second matrix C. And you don't need to set matrix C up to anything. It'll automatically set itself up based on this size. So you're going to say enter and enter again, and it'll show you this matrix now that it's put together. The last step we want to do is actually do this reduced row echelon form to this augmented matrix. So we're going to go to second matrix, math. Again, we're doing an operation, so we're going to go over to that math. We're going to go down until we see this RREF. If you press enter, the thing we are going to do is the reduced row echelon form of matrix C that we just created. Press enter, close parentheses, and enter. We get 1, 0, 0, negative 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2. If you notice, this looks exactly like this matrix we got down here. The x value, 1x is equal to negative 1, 1y is equal to 0, and 1z is equal to 2. So we get the same answers. It's a great tool for you to use. Make sure you're comfortable with doing this for the test.